Yeah, we're moving for the Fastcat. Meron tayong tour. So nagkaroon tayo ng privilege na magka-tour dito sa area natin. Kaya ayan, isa tayo sa napili. Ito yung kasama ko, security team ay si Florante. So pupunta na kami doon sa service kung saan ihatid kami doon sa area kung saan kami sasakay ng Fastcat. So yan ang barko namin. Yung barko namin nasa dulo. So alright, so update ko kayo mamaya pagdating doon sa area. So yung background natin, dito tayo sa St. Thomas. So yan yung kabilang bundok. So nandito tayo ngayon sa grupo ng mga nagtutour. So iba-ibang grupo, mayroong snorkeling, sky runs, something like that. Saka sa yung beach. So nandito tayo sa Fastcat na Bilong. So isang privilege na nabigyan tayo ng boss namin, kaya nasama tayo sa tour. So ayan, alright, update na lang mamaya. So malapit na tayo sa pupunta natin. Papasok tayo dito sa pinto na paikot-ikot.
Yeah, underneath it, but you have to have this huge, like...
There was right?
Then that creates like this.
Alright. So yun, nakadaan na tayo sa pinto na bakal na paikot-ikot. So bilisan natin, iwanan na tayo. So ito yung mga building dito sa port ng St. Thomas. St. Thomas. So ayan. Okay, kita nyo na. So update ulit. So ito yata yung sasakyan natin, Fastcat. Iba pala yung pinakita ko kanina. So ito siya. So yun yung barko namin. Yan. Okay, so naglakad kami galing doon papunta dito. So yung way na yan, ayan, malayo. Papunta dito, paikot. Alright, so we're moving. On board tayo sa Fastcat na sinasabi nila. This is it. Ito na.
Guys, good morning, welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard. So, singa tayo, kamalaglag tayo.
Good morning, watch your step, guys. Good morning.
Good morning. Doon tayo sa loob, boy. So, baka masira kutis natin. So, po tayo. Doon, kabilang side, left. Dito na, dito na. Alright. So, here we are. Tayo. Ha? Salamin na ito. So dito tayo. May life jacket tayo. Susuot natin to kasi in case of emergency. Alright.
You know what? Sit right here. I'll sit. Everyone please has to go on this waiver. Okay? You have a kid that's with you. They're under 18. You're going to print their name and then you're going to put their signature next to it. If you have a wife that's going to do all the paperwork, hey, that works as well. A mom, that works too. They usually set the process up pretty quickly. Alright, guys? Yeah. Thank you so much. No, you're going to hold it. All girls, 6 3. Yeah, we had a captain, huh?
Okay?
So, papunta na tayo doon sa
Okay?
Alrighty, good morning, folks! Welcome aboard Harbor Hopper 1 and welcome
entertainment nila.
to Sunny St. Such enthusiasm.
Babae na pilot.
I know it's
Pilot na
morning,
babae.
it's bright and early, but let's try that one more time. Welcome aboard Harbor Hopper 1 and welcome to Sunny St. Alrighty, guys, so first things first, I'm going to introduce you guys to your full service cruise. That means foot rubs, back rubs, anything like that, you name it, Rosie's your gal, alright? So everyone say hi, Rosie! Hi, Rosie! We have the youngest and most amazing female captain in the fleet. Everyone say hi, Captain Jen!
Hi, Captain Jen!
Good morning, guys. Welcome
Captain
aboard.
babae.
And I'm probably the coolest person you guys are going to meet here. I'm Gigi. Everyone say hi, Gigi.
Hi, Gigi.
So we are a Coast Guard inspected vessel. Can anyone tell me what that means? Can someone say life jacket? Life jacket. Hey, we got life jackets. So located in the white hatches in the front as well as the white hatches in the back. Some of you may be sitting on them. We got life jackets in there. We also have this awesome device on board called an e-purse. So in case of a catastrophic event, we end up going down, right? So we also, in case you guys happen to see
They're ready
something,
now.
hopefully not start a fire
Nice
on
snorkeling.
board. We got 4 fire extinguishers. We got one by the helm,
Bababa nga
2
tayo
behind
niya.
the bar, and 1 in the back. That being said, guys, let's give it up for a bathroom. We got a bathroom on board. So this bathroom is very similar to your bathroom back home, but there's one tiny, tiny difference.
Right. It's all the head,
Yeah,
right?
Binigyan tayo ni
Bathroom's all the head, right?
So this bathroom
Pang
is very
snorkeling.
similar to a slot machine, but it's
I don't think
actually
they'll be able to wear the
don't
paddle.
want to make it
Oh, yeah,
up.
for flippers?
So
Yeah.
when you're on your you're on your right hand side.
Size
You're
one.
gonna get that lever up pump from 1 to 7
1 to
times until that
7.
deposit is gone. Okay. So that being said, guys, there's no garbage, no toilet paper will be going in the toilet. Okay. Can I hear that? No toilet paper in the
Just like at home,
toilet.
right?
Correct. If it doesn't go through the body, it doesn't go in the pot. Okay.
doesn't go
So
through
there
the-
is a garbage can in there. You guys are more than welcome to throw everything in there, and I'm gonna have to deal with it after the trip. Okay. So I
Huh?
am the one making your rum punch today.
Paano palitan? Mabilis nga yung takbo ng bangka namin, ng yacht namin. So, yan. Kaskabero daw kapitan namin. Lagi naman dyan. So dito na tayo. sa lupa. So, pag sa dagat, mabilis siya. Yung driver namin babae. Ayan siya. O yun nga, dumating na nga kami doon sa second destination sa Virgin Island of St. Thomas. So nakita nyo naman, maputi ang buhangin, ganda ng tubig, ilan pa lang yung bumaba doon galing sa service namin. So kailangan natin bumaba galing doon kung saan yung tinuturo ko na service namin. Tingnan nyo ang paligid ng Virgin Island na to, ng beach. Napakaganda na tanawin ito. Minsan lang sa buhay natin na mapuntahan to, once in a lifetime, ika nga, karoon tayo ng opportunity. So tingnan nyo ang paligid. Okay, yan, bundok, marami din puno, mga ayan, so nyug, saka yun nga, paligid ang puno. Napakaganda ang paligid. Napaka-relax. At least, kita nyo tayo for a while. Feeling guest din tayo. Imbis na wala yung problema tayo. May package na salamat sa guest natin na stressless tayo ng pagkataon na makikitour kasama yung mga guest natin. Okay, so update ko kayo sa sunod na vacation natin. Bye-bye. So sinagad na video natin. Sinagad na nung piloto ang speed natin. So kasi mga kasama natin, mga wild to, eh gusto ng mabilisan. So tingnan natin.
Guys, y'all were awesome. Thank you.
Go, 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 go.
There you go.
So nandito na tayo, lumabas na tayo. Yan, tapos na tayo mag-tour. Okay, so nagbigay tayo ng tip kasi ka-record pala dito ang tip. Babalik na tayo. Alright, so that's it. Tapos na tayo sa pag-tour natin. Okay,